The database browser window is available from the Quick Start window or the main toolbar. This window provides an easy way to view and manage the most common database objects such as tables, views, and indexes. The Navigation Manager includes an object palette which lists objects by database or schema and then by object type. When an object is selected, the details for that object are shown in the database browser on the right. The Object Palette offers filtering to help you find and use the objects most frequently used. A quick filter can be typed into the Object Edit area. For more advanced filtering, select the filter icon. A variety of detailed filters are available as well as custom filters. The filter criteria can be named and saved for later use. The Data tab displays the data within the selected object. You may view the data in either a grid view, a table containing columns and rows, or in a card view, using a separate record to display all entries in a row. The data in this grid can be edited directly as long as you are not using the read-only version of Toad for Data Analysis. To add a row, click on the plus sign. You can set a column value to null when editing a cell by pressing Ctrl-0 or Ctrl-delete. If auto-commit is set to on, the change is committed when you leave the row. You can easily enable or disable the auto-commit option by selecting auto-commit in the lower left portion of the status bar. For Oracle, the default for auto-commit is off. All other platforms default to on. The grid has several options for customization. These options can be accessed under the Tools menu. In the Options window, browse to Environment and Grid. These options control data filtering and sorting, editing behavior, and batch entry. The browser also has its own options under the Browser section. The number of rows to initially fetch is set on the Database General tab. By default, the browser will fetch the first 1,000 rows and then pause. Once you get to know a database or schema, the database browser provides quick and easy access to understand and view objects.